Proper sleeping position is one of the most important ways you can protect your spine because you're in this position for on average 8 hours a day. Generally speaking, sleeping on your back is going to be the least stressful position. When you're on your back, we want to make sure that you have pillows underneath your thighs close to your butt. What this does is it slightly elevates your leg, which relieves pressure to your lower back. If we didn't have pillows underneath our legs, what happens is our legs go into extension, the hip flexor muscles pull on our pelvis, and they create an arch in our lower back, which puts more stress and tension to the facet joints. Putting the pillows underneath elevates the legs, takes the tension off of the lower back. For the neck, it's important to have the correct size pillow. If you have a pillow that's too thick, it'll push your chin towards your chest and put your neck in a bad position. If the pillow is too flat, your head will go into extension and it'll be stressful to your spine. So if you take the pillow in the corners, hold it over your shoulders, then relax your head into it. It provides support for your head so your head won't rotate left or right. The second best position that we recommend is going to be sleeping on your side. Now when you're on your side, it's important to have those pillows that were underneath your legs now in between your legs. This keeps your legs nice and neutral, prevents you from rolling one leg over, which then creates a rotation and a side bend in your lower back. For your neck, we want to make sure, again, that you have the right size pillow. One too thick will put a side bend in your neck, and one too thin will create a side bend the opposite direction in your neck. We also don't want you to be rolling back with your shoulders, sleeping half back. That's going to create a rotation in your spine. We also don't want you rolling forward. That also creates a rotation in your spine. Try to stay as vertical as possible in this position. Generally speaking, the worst position for your back is going to be on your stomach. When we're on our stomach, as you can see, again, because of our hips and hip flexors, this creates a really excessive extension or arch in our lower back, putting a lot of stress to it. Then with our head, we have to rotate it to an extreme degree so we can continue to breathe. This creates a rotation and an extension in our neck, which is also very stressful to the spine.